Hello, everyone. uh, just want to greet everyone. A happy day. Uh, Happy gel blasting day. Today, I wanted to share thoughts about gel blaster mid-end versus high-end. No? Kasi may mga tao nagtatanong, bakit mid-end, bakit high-end? Diba? For me, it's more on how you really plan to use it. No? Kasi ako meron akong mid-end, meron din akong high-end. Conforme yan sa paggagamitan. And of course, there are differences. But both units, may enjoy mo naman. Talaga akong you love gel blasting. So, ano ba difference ng mid-end and high-end gel blaster? Well, first off, mid-end like this one, I have this is my handy Galil mid-end blaster. Very handy. This is prime and very nice gun unit gel blaster. And I enjoy using it. I've used it several times now. It also has prime. Some mid units doesn't have any prime, no. And ang nakakatuwa dito sa mid-end ko na to is it's actually reaching around 170 to 180 FPS. No wonder parang laging sold out yung ganyan unit na yan. I've also added yung hop up, ito yung pinaka-importante, to extend the reach, no, ng unit. I use mid-end if I am playing with my family, my relatives. Kasi mas mahina, and also I'm using that as an opportunity to really encourage people to do the hobby, 'di ba? Na mag-enjoy sa gel blaster. So I use it sa resort o kaya kapag kami lang, may mga bata, no. Again, it's mid-end range with the 120 starting point. Kasi 7.4 volts lang yan until 180. Anything above 180 is medyo masakit na eh, no? And that goes, for me, it goes to a high-end na entry level. Oh, I have my entry level. I have 3 units, no? And then one of this, ito naman yung high-end entry level. I have my PDX V4. Obviously, ang comparison nito is dun sa mid-end ko is I don't use it kapag kami lang, if I'm playing with my family, relatives, my cousins, no? Especially they don't know the experience yet ng ang mas mataas na impact ng tama, no, ng gel. Although it's a gel, mid-end gel blaster, I just use soft bullets, soft gels, no. While on high-end unit at even entry level, I use 60N para hindi madurog kasi nga mas mataas ang FPS. This PDX V4 that I have as an example is actually ranging at 250 to 260 FPS at I use 60N, no, bullet and medyo masakit talaga pag tumama. So you need to have a gear, no, pero depende yan sa tao eh. Baka yung iba gusto nila, mas feel nila matamaan at hindi masyado masakit. Pero sa akin, of course, sinisecure natin yung safety, and syempre again is to enjoy. So I use gears, I have my vest, I have my helmet, more importantly eyewear, goggles, para ma-ensure yung safety. Now for mid-end units naman, I just use cap, then eye goggles, that's it, t-shirt, that's fine. Kasi nga mahina lang, malambot lang yung gel. And again, the purpose is to have fun, no? Pareho lang yan. Pareho lang yan sa be it mid-end, be it high-end. The purpose is to enjoy with your friends, no? Sa high-end, ang purpose ko niyan is makamit ng new friends, no? Of course, with more realism, no? When I go to game site, shout out to Stonefall team. Yan ang aming game site na pinaglaruan. Also, you can use that in the field. Mas higher reach, definitely for high-end units. Heavier, of course. The feel is more realistic, yung nga sabi ko. But at the end of the day, be it mid-end or high-end, the purpose is to enjoy. Yun lang naman, guys. Kahit ano pa yung unit mo, Gel Blaster nowadays is booming, and I just bid everyone to enjoy the game. Ako, I have my mid-end and high-end kahit anong game. Let's go, di ba? So, if you have any comments or suggestions or any reaction, feel free. Or any questions, no? Feel free to ask me. I'll be more than happy to answer your question as in the extent of my powers and my know-how about gel blasting. Take care, everyone. Yun lang. Salamat.